Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams app. So let's start. First of all, open your Microsoft Teams app. Once you open your Microsoft Teams app, then please log in into your Microsoft Teams app if you are not logged in. Once you log in into your Microsoft Teams app, then you can see the interface like this. Then tap on your default profile picture. Once you tap on your default profile picture, you can see the options like this. Then tap on settings option. Once you tap on your settings option, you will be redirected to this page. So here you can see the profile option. So tap on the profile option. Once you tap on the profile option, you will be redirected to this page. And here you can see the option edit image. So tap on the option edit image. Once you tap on the option edit image, you can see the options like this. First one is open photo gallery or open photo library. So if you select this option, then you can select the existing image as your profile photo. If you want to capture your profile photo using camera, then you can select the second option. So in my case, I already have my existing profile photo. So I am selecting the first option, open photo library. So tap on the option. Once you tap on the option, then you need to go to the path where your profile photo is saved. So now this is the image that I want to set as a profile picture. So tap on the image. Once you tap on the image, now go back and refresh the page. If you observe that your profile picture is not updated, then close the app and again open the Microsoft Teams app. And here you can see my profile picture is updated. So in this way, we can change or update profile picture in Microsoft Teams app. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.